upbeat music plays. Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make purchasing decisions without the need for a PhD in product research. Today, we're diving deep into the world of floor cleaning with a battle of the steamers. On my left, we have the Bissell PowerFresh Vac and Steam all-in-one vacuum. And on my right, the H2O MOP X5 Steam Mop. It's the ultimate showdown that will leave your floors cleaner than a germaphobe's kitchen. First up, let's talk about the dollars and cents. The Bissell is coming in hot at $185, while the H2O MOP is making a splash at just $169. Reviewers of the H2O MOP appreciate its affordability, calling it a wallet's best friend. On the other hand, many Bissell users mention that the extra features justify the higher price, especially the convenience of having both vacuuming and steaming in one device. So if you're looking to save some cash, the H2O MOP is your go-to. But if you want to splurge and enjoy the benefits of an all-in-one cleaning solution, the Bissell is there for you. Next up, let's see what these bad boys can do. The Bissell is like a multitasking mom on caffeine. It vacuums and steams your floors at the same time. Reviewers rave about its 2-in-1 feature that saves them time and effort while cleaning wood floors, even if they note the steamer isn't super powerful. Meanwhile, the H2O MOP is rocking a 5-in-1 feature. Users love its versatility, claiming it can clean hard floors, carpets, and even windows. It's like the Swiss Army knife of cleaning. Just don't try to cut anything with it, you might end up with a very clean finger. Now, let's talk about ease of use. The Bissell has these easy-touch digital controls, making it so easy that even your cat could operate it, if only they could reach the buttons. Reviewers appreciate how easy it is to use and clean. On the flip side, the H2O MOP is praised for its versatility with a handheld mode that transforms it into a garment steamer or grout cleaner. However, some users have mentioned issues with its design, including concerns about the handle's quality. It's like the Swiss Army knife of cleaning, but make sure to handle it with care. When it comes to power, the H2O MOP boasts 1,300 watts of steam cleaning power. Reviewers find it effective, especially for deep cleaning, but some have noted that it may struggle with tougher grime. Meanwhile, the Bissell's powerful cyclonic vacuum captures dirt like it's auditioning for a vacuum cleaner commercial. Users often highlight its effectiveness at picking up dirt and pet hair, although it may have some trouble with thicker clumps. Just don't expect it to sing and dance like the H2O MOP. Overall, the Bissell PowerFresh Vac and Steam receives praise for its convenience and effectiveness in cleaning, with many users saying it saves them time. However, some mention its noise and maneuverability as minor drawbacks. The H2O MOP X5, while versatile and easy to use, has received mixed reviews regarding its quality and efficacy on certain surfaces. Users appreciate its affordability and deep cleaning capabilities, but have raised concerns over its design and durability. So which one should you choose? If you want the all-in-one vacuum and steam experience, the Bissell PowerFresh is your go-to. But if versatility and a lower price tag are more your style, then the H2O MOP X5 is calling your name. Just remember, whether you choose to vacuum or steam, the real winner here is your floor. And maybe your cat if they get to sit on the Bissell. Thanks for joining us today on Buy Smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description.